Welcome back to another video, guys. In this video I'm going to be talking about how to get started with affiliate marketing with Amazon affiliate marketing and Amazon Associates, which is Amazon affiliate marketing program, step by step and the right way. Problem is, everybody teaches about Amazon affiliate marketing and nobody teaches it the right way. So today I want to lay out with you guys the right strategy and the right procedure, step by step, starting on the right mindset that you need to have, the budgeting that you need to have, the potential earnings, and how to start it the right way, how to set up your assets and all the tools that you need to be a successful Amazon affiliate in this video. Now, before we even get into it, if you're really serious about changing your life and start making money online, then I would highly encourage you guys to click the link in the description. It's going to bring you over to this page where you can sign up for the ClickFunnels 30-day one funnel away challenge, which is a digital marketing degree in 30 days, which teaches you step by step on how to set up a really successful business in 30 days using funnels. So the next one funnel away challenge starts in the next 3 days and 16 hours, which is on the 12th of January. So meaning this coming Monday it starts and goes on for 30 days. If you don't get in now, you have to wait for, I think, another 10 or 15 days for the next one to start. So make sure you click the link in the description of this video and get to the one funnel away challenge and get started with your online journey. So with Amazon affiliate marketing, I really want us to focus on the core fundamentals of what it takes. So step one, the right type of mindset that you need to have is positive mindset. You don't want to be negative. You don't want to get that mindset of get rich quick. That's the wrong mindset to have. So you want to be positive and you want to be patient and be ready to put in an extra effort. You're going to make this work, because for any online business you need to put in effort and you need to have a budget, a small budget, for which is gonna be anywhere just between $100 to $200 or even less, depending on how much you want to put in and how fast you want this to work. But I would highly encourage putting in at least $100 to $200 for the basic tools, and you can even go up to $1,000 for you to get this up and running and really put all the tools together in one place. So where do you actually start with affiliate marketing? So the basic principle with affiliate marketing is, as you can see, this is an Amazon affiliate marketing website. So all it does is it writes these blogs and people come and they read about the reviews of the products and services. So how do you set this up? Well, for beginners, you have to go to Amazon Associates. You can Google Amazon Associates and you want to sign up for the Amazon affiliate program. As you can see, you can earn up to 10% advertising fee, which is affiliate marketing in short. So you can get up to 10% for every sale that you bring in. Now I'm going to show you a really cool trick that you can use to even earn a lot of money, even though the commission is slightly on the lower side, but to earn a lot of money and have a passive income coming in every month from Amazon. So you want to come over here and you want to click login if you already have an account, or you can sign here and say join free. Once you sign up for that, it's gonna bring you in where you're going to do all the confirmation. It's pretty straightforward procedure, anybody can go ahead and do it. Then from this step is you want to start a website. Now before starting a website is you want to pick an industry that you want to focus on. So as you can see, these guys are basically all about outdoor, backyard, and a bit of camping, gardening, backyard gear. So it's all about making your home a better place, playing in your home, making it beautiful, landscaping. So it's so basically related to your backyard and your basic home and what you can put in to make sure it's conducive for you, as well as a good playground at the same time for your kids, and just really well looking. As you can see, all these are reviews. If you go ahead and look at Edge versus Streamer, which is the best one for the job, so you see this is a review that they've done, and they've recommended some products which you're going to see, as you can see. So this is on Amazon, as you can see, buy on Amazon, same as, and same as this one, $128. They get a commission of $12.8 when somebody purchases this product. They get $6.56 when somebody buys that product. They get $9.28 for everybody that purchases this product. So another thing that they are earning money is using ads such as this. This is advertisement, and they are earning money through these advertisements. So these are some of the ways that you can earn money with this. But how much can you potentially earn? I want us to look at that. So I'm just gonna open up some of the screenshots that I taken, screenshots, and show you guys the potential earnings from people. So as you can see, this is a recent site that was started, like it's almost been like a few months, and it's now earning $686 every month. As you can see, during August 2019, my niche site earned $686.76 from Amazon Associates US program, and it made another $8.65 from Amazon UK, which is good. And he also made $414 from his ads revenue using Amazon Associates and just setting up a website. Then on ads, and those ads that are popping up that you see, such as these or these ads here, because these are not related to the content that's here, but these are just advertisement, depending on what your cookies have picked up, and they'll bring them and be showed on this website. Another thing that you can see is all these guys are bringing in reviews. They're saying it's the best. This guy hit his first $1,000. This guy is also rocking it $2,000 in a month, which is a pretty good earning. What would you do with $2,000? It's a hefty income for anybody that's just starting out. So the way that you can do is by signing up for Amazon Associates, and you can go to a web hosting platform called SiteGround, where you can set up your domain as well as your hosting. So you can come over here and you can pick any of these plans. I don't know what the plans are, but yeah. So here, as you can see, you can get a grow big plan, and it's at $5 per month, and you can pay this for a year, and it will be, I think, less than $100. So you set up a website for $100 and you are good to go. So I'll leave a link in the description to all the resources. Then the last thing that you need to do is you need to research your keywords. So once you pick an industry, you need to go to Amazon and look at what they are offering you guys, so that you can know exactly what industry you want to go in. So as you can see, you can come over here and select various things that you might be interested in. Maybe you're interested in health and household. You can go into that and you can just search, and you can shop by category. So you can go to sports nutrition, and you can basically pick some products that would be helpful to anybody that's into sports, that's into working out, weight gainers. So there's a lot of things that you can do. All you have to do is just take your time, come over here and find products that are related in your niche, go start a website and write blog posts about these particular products that you found and you would like to promote. All these are talking about products that this guy is promoting, and he's really killing it with this website. So it's pretty free to join. Then all he does is his keyword research, whereby he goes into Google and maybe searches for certain keywords, does his keyword research. So I'm gonna show you a really cheap tool that you can use to do your keyword research. So I think about $19 a month. That would bring your total to somewhere probably $118, but you don't really need this. But it would be helpful because you want to know which keywords you can rank for, because this is really crucial. You just don't want to go out there and start randomly writing blog posts that have got high competition that you're not going to be able to rank for in Google, which means your website is not going to show up in the search results, because there are other websites that have got more authority than you and have already ranked in the high ranks of the first and second, probably even the third page of Google. So you want to go for search keywords that are in the greens like this. That's why you need this keyword search tool. So in the videos coming on, the next videos after this, I'm going to be diving a lot deeper into the step-by-steps that you need to set up your website and start affiliate marketing, and how to properly use this tool. But I'll leave the link in the description to where you can purchase this tool. So thank you very much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Have an awesome day.